What's going on, guys? Welcome back to your favorite construction channel. Like I already say, we're all about bettering the African narrative. So today I want to show you around this project that a lot of you have actually followed from the very start of it, yeah? So I'm going to be holding the camera. I'm going to be showing you around the different considerations we've done. Of course, like you can see, we're on the roofing phase. Then I'll be comparing together with the design, how we are working hand in hand with the design to make sure everything comes out exactly the way we designed it to actually be. So please take a look. Thank you. If you were keen to see the artistic impression, by now you should be able to identify what house it is. So we are basically just finishing the roofing, as you can see. Yeah, I want you to notice this part here. Let me try to point at it. Yeah, that part there, right? You can see it's slanting a bit. You might think it's a mistake, but it's not. If you follow the design very, very keenly, you realize that it was slanting a bit, just like that. And then also, of course, you'll have to run a mold running all the way like this, all the way just around the house, okay? You might be wondering why I'm thinking of all that at this stage. I think it's one of the challenges that we have in this country. It's hardly do you ever find a building come out the way it was designed to be, yeah? Because you put so much time in design, and in the same way, the construction also has to follow suit, okay? So it has to be exactly the way it has been designed, okay? But of course, not to say that everything is practical. Some designs might not be very, very practical, yeah? But we make sure that we do things that are practical. If you also look at this balcony, the master bedroom balcony, I'm going to go into the house and I'll show you a bit. You see how that thing is coming out a bit? I like such detail, you know? Because there is a purpose. There's a reason why we put such things during the design. So it's important. Even in construction, it happens the same way. The sun might not do us justice a lot today, but I believe you're able to see everything as I can show you. Yeah. So I'm just going to show you around. I have talked about several things, like you see these huge pillars, you see, right? You see that looks like a huge pillar. I think in the phase one of this project, I think I explained some of those things. But you can see the actual column is just on this small bit. The rest is just a dummy pillar. That's one of the ways that we are able to minimize costs. Yeah, instead of having very huge pillars. So this is the house. I think I'd taken you through the ground floor. Then also coming here, look at that balcony. Let me actually stand here so you can see it well. You see that balcony? That one right there. This that's moving right here like a circle, like a semicircle. If you are to see, for most cases, when people are building these things and they reach areas like this, if it's cantilevered, cantilevered means it is supported from only one end. So you can see here it's like this, it's overhanging and it's hanging over a beam. To make things even worse, when you reach inside, you see there's a void. Yeah? So which means this slab is being held by this beam together. Very, very difficult. So in most cases, you'll find that people have done these little beams that curve like this. Yeah? Just to support it. Also on that way, just like this. But that significantly affects the beauty of the building. So to have it all beautiful the way it was designed, it's very important to... This is really a structural issue. So if you can see, we actually got most of the support from this side. Yeah? So we had a lot of iron bars running through like this, and basically also from that beam there, if you look at that side. But we're trying to avoid the beam coming all the way through like this, and then curving like this, like how many people usually do it. That's very sensitive. I think structural engineers on the channel might understand. But those little things, I don't know, I just don't like how they come out. So because it was designed like this, let's keep it this way, okay? Of course, the other would have been bringing a beam like this to move all around like this. Yeah, like this, like that. But because it wasn't like that, we can't do it like that. One of the priorities that needs to be considered is the design itself. There's a reason why the architect did what he did, okay? So to change things, it's important that you have the mind of the person who designed it so that it can come out the way it was done, okay? So I'm rushing to the first floor because I've showed you the video of the ground floor before. Most of you have followed this channel. I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a look at it. Yeah. Then as you go up, you enter into this open living area. Now this part here is covered with timber, but if you're keen enough, this is actually a void. So after you've removed all this timber, you realize that you can actually see everything that's on the ground floor. The dining there and the living room, of course, just around here. This is the balcony I was talking about, as you can see now. Right? So, as you go this side, there are the stairs. That's a window that's coming all the way from up. And rather, the stairs, it doesn't stop. It goes all the way down. Actually, let me show you that as well. So you can see that when you look at this stair would have ended from just this point, from here up to here, right, to flush with the wall. But when you look at the design, this whole glass facade is coming all the way from up, and it goes all the way below the stairs up to down. That's very important. If it was designed like that, a lot of people cut that short, and then they cut through here and then leave it just like that. Unless there are purposes for which you are doing that, it's important to keep it that way because it maximizes a lot of natural light from there, okay? So this side we have this common bathroom, okay? We have a bedroom here which probably might be for the boys. Then we have another bedroom here, self-contained. You can see the pipe work. And then on this side it has something like a French balcony. Not really a full balcony, but just a French balcony. Of course, you can have a seat here because the wall starts from here. So you can have a seat and a small table and do some work, but it's really a French balcony. Yeah. You can see the ceiling for yourself. It's about 3.4 meters. Yes, 3.4 meters. Then, while all these other bedrooms are this side, the master's is just here. So you enter like this, the door is here, okay? Enter the master's, you have your bathroom here. This is a bathroom, by the way, quite a huge bathroom, eh? Yeah, about 2.2 meters, 2.4 meters. On this length, it's even more than 3 meters or more than 4 meters. It has everything you need, okay? Come out to the bathroom, you go into the closet. The closet is beginning from here all the way straight. And another one starts from here all the way straight. So basically you have closets on this side, closets on this side, and you have natural light coming from there. After you've done everything you need to do, then do you come into the master's bedroom, okay? Which is here. Lots of natural light. This balcony door and this large window, like you can see. Yeah, I love this balcony. I love the feel of these huge pillars, eh? Very huge pillars. Yeah, very big. Then one of the things that I like is how this balcony actually extends beyond the pillar. If you see in the design, you might be able to notice that. I like how we pulled it out just the way it was designed. Then of course here we're going to have extensions of something like pergola timbers, just running over like this. So it gives you this feel of, you can step out of the balcony and just look over into your neighbor's house, but not really be out of the house, but out of the balcony. I don't know if that makes sense. Something of the sort. Yeah. So basically I think this is just a quick tour, quite enough, and I'm liking how this is going. In the finishing, we'll also be taking you through and you'll see how it should be coming out. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Have yourself a good time.